November Juliet Romeo, joint traffic circuit, left hand, wind 300 degrees 4 knots, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Left hand, traffic circuit 31, cleared for takeoff, 3 Juliet Romeo. Okay.
Push that nose down just a little. Yep, easy on the torque. So get your hand down on that power lever. Get it down on the pedestal. Yeah, that's it. Try that again. Good, that's good right there. Set that torque properly and then friction lock. 85, rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Mountain up. Yep, flaps up.
Flaps up.
Hotel, short approach approved.
Trim.
Traffic circuit, wind 310 degrees 4 knots, runway 31, clear touch and go.
Autopilot on. D-bars in the blue, airplane's doing as commanded. Flow.
Altitude 1,000 to go.
Auto on that pumps igniters. Auto. Yep.
Auto.
You got it. And now trim your power for 130 knots. The best way to do that is watch airspeed rather than torque, particularly as the airplane's leveling off. You're going to be working against, you know, the leveling process, which will cause the airplane to go faster anyway. Yeah, nice.
Altitude 200 to go.
Mönchengladbach Turm, Delta Echo November Alpha Victor. Schönen guten Tag.
Echo November Alpha
Alright,
Victor, guten Tag.
manual.
Delta Echo November Alpha Victor, Piper Papa 28, VSR von Stadt Lohen, 6 Meilen nördlich von Mike. Bitte Landeinformation, wir sind
Power
in 9400 Fuß.
Alright. By then you should have 3 green lights.
Mike, Piste 31, QNH 1020.
Delta Alpha Victor, werde Mike melden. Piste 31 in QNH 1020.
Delta X Hotel, stand by for base turn number 2.
Delta X Hotel, standing by for base turn number 2.
November Juliet Romeo, wind 300 degrees 5 knots, runway 31, clear to land.
31, clear to land, 3 Juliet Romeo. Alright, I'm a little high, so...
Yep.
20.
Yep, keep it pushed down. Good, nicely done. Find that center line, level the wings. Keep
500.
You're just about in the white arcs. You might have to trim the power a little bit because we're a tad high. Just a bit. That's good, that's good. Now flaps. And push.
Position, Mike. 1,300
Yep.
Fuß.
Nice.
Delta Alpha Victor, ja, das waren schnelle 6 Meilen. Fliegen Sie in die Kontrollzone, Rechtsplatzrunde 31.
Find that crab, level the wings.
Delta Alpha Victor, sorry, verbiegen in die rechte.
Thumb on the trim. Be ready to squeeze power away slowly and carefully. That's it. As soon as you get that nose in the level position, transition downfield. Yep, right there. Stop. Right. Right there. Nice, hold it still. Yep. Sweet. Nose down. Beta, back pressure, and brakes. All 3.
Hotel, continue approach.
Yep. So the harder you pull back,
Romeo, taxi via Charlie and Alpha.
Charlie Alpha 3 Juliet Romeo.
Nicely done. I gave you one little tug to keep the nose out of the equation there. Very nice.